GTA 6 comes out in a few months, and I genuinely think it's going to create one of the biggest online money-making opportunities we've seen in years. Not from playing the game, but from the hundreds of millions of players who are going to be obsessed with it. The first thing I would do is start a GTA 6 content page right now. Don't wait for the release. Start posting shorts, TikToks, or long-form videos about official news, trailers, details, theories, confirmed features, comparisons, whatever gets views. And don't randomly post everything. Make 20 videos, see which format gets 5 or 10 times more views than everything else, then spam the shit out of that content. You want to figure out what your audience wants before GTA 6 releases, because once it does, you suddenly have basically unlimited content. Secrets, challenges, tutorials, Easter eggs, funny moments, updates, and instead of competing from zero, you have already built the page. Second is clipping. This might actually be the easiest one. Thousands of creators are going to stream GTA 6 for literally 5, 8, 10 hours at a time. They can't turn every good moment into a short themselves, but you can. Find GTA creators and distribute those clips across TikTok, Shorts, and Reels. One stream could give you up to 20 pieces of content, or even more. And this isn't some random idea either. There are already GTA-focused clipping marketplaces being built where creators can literally pay clippers based on the views their clips generate. So yes, you can make money from GTA 6 without even owning the game. But the third idea is where I think things get really interesting. Build the tools everyone playing GTA 6 is going to Google. People have already mapped over 1400 locations in GTA 6 before the game has even released. Now think about what happens after release. Where do I find this car? Best way to make money? Where's this weapon? How do I get 100% completion? Instead of answering these questions in a video, build a website everyone gets their answers from. Interactive map, vehicle database, collectible tracker, mission guides, 100% completion checklist, whatever people keep searching for. Rank it on Google, get millions of page views, and then monetize it with ads, affiliates, or premium features. Then there's number 4. Watch whatever Rockstar does with GTA 6 roleplay and UGC very closely. Rockstar bought CFX, the people behind 5M and Red M, specifically after seeing what the roleplay community built around GTA 5 and Red Dead. I'm not saying GTA 6 5M is confirmed, it isn't. But if GTA 6 eventually gets a serious creator economy, I want to be there early. Servers need developers, developers need assets, servers need players, players need communities, creators need editors, everyone needs something. And that's the actual point of this video. Don't look at GTA 6 and think, how do I make $100,000 playing this game? Look at the millions of people who are about to play it and ask, what are all of these people going to need? Then build that. Because when this much attention moves into one place, I'd rather sell the shovels than dig for gold.